I'm just making a simple detox drink this morning. Now, you can have this drink early morning when you wake up, you can have it late morning, you can have it in the afternoon. It's just something you drink instead of tea or coffee, right? You could drink tea or coffee too, but also drink this. Now, I put some ginger in this, right? You can add whatever you like. I just add what I like. Now, the two main ingredients are turmeric and pepper. Remember, that is what gives us the benefit of the detox drink. Now, having just a pinch of turmeric doesn't help. It has to be at least half a teaspoon of turmeric, right? And you can just put a dash of pepper, right? It doesn't need to boil for too long. You can put off the gas right now, right? And I also add some lemon in it. You can add whatever you like. You can put some Tulsi leaves in it. You can put whatever you like. Just have a detox drink. Now remember, this detox drink is not the secret to weight loss or secret to good health. It's just one good thing to start the day with or to do it during the day. And I do it anytime. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning and I am having my detox drink right now. If this video is helpful, hit the share button and share it with a friend.